Today's topic we are going to discuss percentage. Now, over here, the word per means divided by, and the word cent means 100. So, any number when expressed in terms of 100 is known as percentage, which means a number is what part of 100. In short, I can say that if you want to express a number in terms of 100, then that is the percentage of a number. Now, we will be asked to find out some common things, that is, a number can be represented in the form of fraction or decimal. So, if we are given a fraction or a decimal number and we are asked to find the percentage form of it, this way. So we have got a number in the form of fraction or decimal and we are asked to find the percentage form of it. We have to only simply multiply the number with 100. If I multiply the fraction or decimal with 100, then what we get is the percentage form of the fraction or decimal. Similarly, if we are asked to find out the fraction or decimal of a given percentage, then we have to divide the given percentage by 100 so that we can express the number in its equivalent fraction or decimal. Simply, for an example, if we are asked to express, for an example, 5 by 6 in percentage. Okay, so how do we find it out? It's very simple. 5 by 6 is the number given. It is actually a fraction. So we are going to write 5 by 6. We are asked to convert a given decimal or fraction in a percentage form. So for converting in percentage, we need to multiply the number with 100. So simply 5 by 6 into 100. Now we will cancel out as and when required, and 6 divided by 2 becomes 3, 100 divided by 2 becomes 50. It's not possible for us to divide it any longer, so it's 5 into 50, 250 by 3. Convert the number into mixed fraction because it's given in improper form. So 250 divided by 3, 8, 324, 1, 0 moves down. 3 into 3 is 9 and remainder is 1. So 83 1 by 3 is the number. What does this mean? It means that 5 by 6 in terms of percentages, 83 1 by 3 percentage. Moving on, if we are given for an example, decimal, like express 5.621 in percentage. If you are asked to do this, again we are going to follow simple step, that is the number, the decimal given to us is 5.621. So this needs to be multiplied with 100. So if we do that, we know simply that multiplying a number with 100, the decimal the decimal point will be shifted. 1, 2. There are 2 zeros, so the decimal point will shift twice to the right. 1 and then 2 twice. So the answer becomes 562.1 because after the shift of the decimal point twice to the right side, the decimal point shifts from first here to here and then here. So finally it is over here, that is 562.1. So this is how we are going to convert it. Similarly, for an example, if we are asked to express 45% in fraction, how we are going to do it? See, we are given a number in a percentage form and now we have to convert it into a fraction. In that case, see, percentage to fraction, so we need to divide, so we have to divide the number. So 45% means 45 by 100. Simply cancel the number as much possible. So divide both with 5. This becomes 20, and 45 divided by 5 becomes 9. Not possible for us to cancel it any longer, and because it's in proper fraction, so we can't even convert the number in mixed fraction. So my answer is 9 by 20. Similarly, if we are asked to find this number, same 45% in fraction, and along with it, if we are asked also to find in fraction and decimal, then what do we do? So, in case of it, we have to find it in decimal as well. It becomes very simple. That is, 45% is written as 45 by 100. So, we are going to write down the numerator first. So, we write down 4, 5. We have got two zeros. So, from the left, we'll move to the right, and two places will be left, and then a decimal point is inserted. So, 0.45 becomes my answer. You may or may not write 0, that's up to you. We write 0 usually so that the decimal point is given more weightage, so that we don't lose the vision of this decimal point. We will take some more examples. For an example, we have said that you have to express half into percentage. Again, same thing, half into percentage, that is half, into percentage, that means into 100, because in converting a fraction into percentage, the step is to multiply. Now just reduce it, we get 50. Remember to put this percentage sign if you are asked to find or express a fraction or a decimal in percentage. Then after the sum is done, after the calculation is done, the percentage sign is mandatory. That is it.